What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge multiple Google Calendars into one Google Calendar. First off, head over to Google Calendars and then in the settings options, click on settings and after that click on this settings again. Now, after coming here on the left side, you can see the option of import and export at the bottom. Click on this. After clicking, click on this export button and then you will see the option of export. Click on this and then a zip file will be created. Just save the zip file. Now, after saving the zip files, open the zip files and then now after that, click on this file and then you will see the option to extract it. After clicking on this file, right click on show more options and extract the file, and you can just simply extract these files. As you can see, I have extracted the files. I'll just simply copy it and then after coming here I will go back to my Google Calendar. After going back to my Google Calendar, I'll just simply open it in a new tab. Now this time while opening the calendar, again click on settings and click on import. This time you will see the option of select file from your computer. Click on this and just select a file name. If you already have copied, just simply paste it here and click on open. After clicking on open, you will see the option to import. Click on import and your file will be then imported. So this is how you can import multiple Google Calendars into one Google Calendar. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.